Hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. I just discovered one of the great protective case for your Mavic Air 2 Plymore combo. So if you are the owner of the Mavic Air 2 Plymore combo, you must be excited because this video will talk about on how you are going to protect your Mavic Air 2 Plymore combo. So if you are new to this channel, just relax, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified for the upcoming videos in my channel. So just relax and we will do the unboxing of Nanuk 915. Okay, let's now begin the unboxing of this protective case for my Mavic Air 2 Primer combo. So this just came this morning and I'm very excited to do the unboxing of this protective case for my Mavic Air 2 Primer combo. So I personally selected the color orange because I wanted it to be unique. So this protective case comes with a different color like black, graphite, silver, white, olive, orange and yellow. So I selected the orange to be unique in color for my Mavic Air 2 Primer combo. So then just give me one sticker and then okay, so this protective case is made up of resin. It's made up of they call it resin in K7. It's specifically designed for Nanuk. This protective case is made in Canada, so it will be once you ordered, it will be delivered to you within 1 to 2 days. So I'm very excited for this protective case so that it will protect my drone Mavic Air 2 Primer combo. So it has this nano protective case was developed by Practice Plastic Case using the NK7 resin specifically designed for Nanuk. Resin is a polypropylene based material that has been enhanced with several performance additives that increase toughness, impact resistance while maintaining a lightweight. So you can use also the lock, a TSA lock, just in case you wanted to go to other country and you wanted to protect your case, you can use the TSA lock. So it has also the equalizer air bulb which minimize the air pressure that will come to your protective case. So this protective case comes with what they call the Power Pro latch system with which will usually lock the protective case from any other like we do the water resistance. All you have to do is just press this white button and then pull up the power clutch lock. So yeah, so you're going to press that white button and then pull out the power flow latch so in order to open this protective case. So we're going to open the case now. So it's very easy to open the case. Okay, now we're going to open the case now. So just like I told, this case is specifically customized for Mavic Air 2 Primer combo. So once you open the case, it comes with several manuals or documents like it will show you what other gear can be protected using this Nanuk plastic case. So just like what I've said, it would protect your gears like your camera, your different lenses. It can even protect your guns, handguns. So it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So just like I told you, it's water resistance. It's impact resistance also. So this is a good way on how to protect your valuable gear like Mavic Air 2 Primer Combo. So it comes also with if you're going to register the case once you purchase this case, there's a they have the promotion, monthly promotion that you can win another case. So it comes with stickers, and then it comes with thank you for purchasing this protective case. So it's made in Canada, so I'm sure that it's very tough case that will really protect your gear in any untoward incidents, like if you just leave it to water, it will do the water resistance. So just like what I've said, it's customized for your Mavic Air 2 Primer Combo. So it has a hardened foam that can fully equipped to protect your gear. So at the top one, there's what they call the lid foam air shape, the leak form egg shape. So it will once you close the protective case, it will squeeze and protect using that soft egg shape foam. Okay, so now we're going to put all our gear, the Mavic Air 2 Primer Combo, on their specific customized protective case. Okay, so here's my Mavic Air 2 Primer Combo, which I just purchased a while ago, and we will now transfer to the Mavic Air 2 Mavic Air 2 protective case Nanuk 915. I know that when you buy the Primer Combo, you have this good bag, but I personally don't like the bag in the sense that it's a compact bag, although it has a boom inside, but then I personally don't want the bag, considering that it's very compact. All those gears that you bought for the Primer Combo are squeezed on that little bag. Although the material is good, but then I prefer to put it in a more protected case because it's a more it's expensive gear, so you need to really protect your gear. Okay, so now we're going to put all those different accessories, the aircraft also, to the protective case Nano. The first one is the what we call the charging base. So it has a place where you can put the charging base, and then the second one we have to put the controller, the remote controller. So there is a specific place that we can put the remote controller also in this protective case. So it's more protected if we're going to put in this case. Okay, so next would be the this little box which contain all your batteries. So once you put the batteries, it will really protect your battery from any like banging of your batteries to other accessories in your bag. So first we'll put the first battery, and then you have this different cable. You can put it in one customized place where you can put all those cables. And then now we're going to put the aircraft, the Mavic Air 2 aircraft. So it's really customized, so there's no need for you to make a hole or whatever, but just put the Mavic aircraft in that protective case, and then it will be really protected. So the second one, what do you call this one, is the power bank that you can use to charge using your battery. So there's another, you can also place in that hole specifically designed for those other accessories. And then for the charger, you can also put that one in this customized place where you can put the charging cable and the charger. Another one, you can, as I've said, there are three locations where you can put those three batteries. So now we have two batteries in place with the in the Mavic Air or in the protective case. So once you open the other accessories like the filter, so there is also a specific location that you can put your filters. So it would be easy for you to locate the place where you can easily get your accessories once you're going to fly your aircraft. And then the other one is the reserve joystick. So you can put it in any place you wanted to place in that different location. So it would be easy for you to to place and to get all those different accessories. It's not it's really organized, and it will really protect your Mavic Air 2. I personally like the case, considering that it can really protect your valuable drone. So for this case, we have this, what we call the cable for your iPhone and for Android phone that you can use as a display monitor for your when you fly the Mavic Air 2. And then of course your propellers. So I personally put all the propellers in one plastic so that it would be very protected and still look new. So you can also place that one beside this charging adapter. So what do you think? I think this one is a very good way to protect your Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. So it will put all of those accessories, your three batteries, your controller. It's more safe than just putting it in the bag. Within maybe you can bang that bag, and then it's a more compact bag. So it might have an issue once you carry those bags. So one thing more, actually you cannot fly this Mavic Air 2 because this is more than the 250 grams. So you need to take the basic operation in order for you to fly this aircraft. So and you have to register also your aircraft to Transport Canada, so you'll be authorized to fly that drone. So with this protective case, you can put all those documents like your registration, your certificate, and then the license in that protective case. Just open this front soap foam, and then you can put it at the back. So once you go to other places to fly your combo to drone, so you really have to bring all those registration and your certificate so that you will also be authorized to fly all over in any place authorized by the Transport Canada in Canada, Transport Canada in different locations. So this would I think this is a good way to protect your Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo. It's a nice, the handle is very unique, and it's just a snap-in system at handle, so it will not there is a click when you just close the handle. You will hear click that it will really protect your valuable gear. So actually I have three Nanuk protective case. This is another what we call the child of this protective case. So I have three actually. These are the Nanuk 910. This Nanuk 910 is customized for Osmo Plus. So just like what I've said, they have different customized protective case for your gear. In this Nanuk 910, I put my Osmo Plus. So look at the way they handle this protective case. So I would suggest that you really have to buy this case. I'm not endorsing any company, but I just wanted to say that protecting your case or protecting your valuable gear will extend the life of your valuable gear. So yeah, so I have one medium, one small, and then I have this Nanuk 935 is a more big case wherein I put my DSLR. So this case is much bigger. It has a rolling handle that you can check in airlines. Okay, we'll try to open this Nanuk 935, a much bigger case for you can put your at least 5 lenses and one DSLR. Okay, so it has a trolling handle. You can open the handle, and it's actually can be checked in the airlines. So there's no problem if you're going to travel to other countries. Okay, I think that's end our unboxing and a proper way to protect your valuable gear like my Mavic Air 2 Primer combo. So if you are new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be updated on my upcoming videos. Thank you, bye bye.